Today I'm going to teach you how to change your plan level on Shopify. Whether you're looking to upgrade for more features or scale down to better match your current needs, adjusting your Shopify plan is a straightforward process that can help optimize your store's performance and costs. First, open your web browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using an account with owner or admin permissions, as these settings require proper authorization to modify. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage. Look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation panel. Among all the options available, locate and click on Settings. This is your gateway to all the administrative controls for your store, including billing, users, and plan management. Once you're in the settings area, you'll notice another menu on the left side. From this secondary navigation, click on Plan. This section is specifically dedicated to managing your subscription tier and viewing details about your current plan, including features and billing cycle. Now, you should see your current plan displayed along with a button that says either Choose Plan or Change Plan depending on your account status. Go ahead and click this button. This action will open up the options available for modifying your subscription level. At this point, Shopify will present you with all the different plan tiers available. You'll typically see options like Basic, Grow, Advanced, and Plus. Each of these plans comes with its own set of features, transaction fees, and monthly costs, so take a moment to review what each tier offers to ensure it aligns with your business needs. Once you've decided which plan is right for you, click the corresponding button on that plan. For example, if you're selecting the basic plan, you would click Select Basic. This confirms your choice and moves you forward in the process. After selecting your plan, Shopify will direct you to the payment page. Here, you'll need to input your card details to finalize the subscription change. Enter your payment information carefully. Then, click Subscribe. Your new plan will typically take effect immediately, giving you instant access to the features included in your selected tier. And that's it. You've successfully changed your plan level on Shopify, allowing you to access the features that best support your store's growth and operations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.